so today we're cleaning our Cricut mats. I've got Scentsy Counter Clean and I've got it in white tea and cactus. I've got a lint-free cloth and then I have my Cricut mat that's lost almost all of its sticky. I found this is one of the new mats. The old mats I found their sticky had a lot more life in them, but these ones don't. So grab your Counter Clean, Scentsy Counter Clean. I'll just give it a good spray down. Now I usually let it sit for a couple of minutes, so I'm just going to push that one off to the side because I've also got my low tack, which is virtually no tack. So I'll give that a spray. If there's any bits on them, like this little bit of paper, try and get that off just beforehand. And a good squirt. Find you have to be a lot more gentler with the newer mats compared to the old mats. The old mats you could be a bit more, they weren't so easily destroyed, but the new mats, I've actually destroyed 3 other mats before finding out about Scentsy Counter Clean on my mats. So you can sort of see that it's soaked in. When you do it, you'll see that that's sort of soaked in, and then all I do is wipe it away. Here on the cloth, it's all that lint and all the stuff that's in your mats. And here's probably where I use my mat the most. So it's like the grottiest. And I'm just gently, I'm not using a lot of pressure. And I can already feel the tack coming back. Because that was one of the big things. If you use a scraper on the new mats, they tend to, it like scrapes off the adhesive that was previously on there. The old mats you could definitely do with a scraper, but I've just found these mats, they do not like the scraper when cleaning them. So what I've just rolled that over so that I've got a nice new clean spot. And I'm just getting all that lint off and the fluff. I'm not really, see, like you can see all that grot. I'm not super precious about my mats when they're not being used. I just have them on the wall, a nail on the wall behind my door in my office where my Cricut is stored, and that's where they live. So there we go. So here's still a little bit grotty, so I'm just going to give that a bit of an extra rub. There we go. That's how I clean, and as you can see, the tack's already gone back and it's not dry yet. So that's how I clean my mat with the Scentsy Counter Clean. I hope that's helped some Cricut lovers out there that feel like it's not dry here yet, so like where it's dry, the adhesive comes back. All right, I hope that's helped. I will put links to the product below.